everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and today I'm going to talk to you about a website from where you can purchase dresses. Well, you might be wondering, why is it so special? It is special because this is one website where you can actually get your dresses custom made without paying anything extra. I'm talking about Sloppins, and what I'm wearing right now is from Sloppins. I got two of them. I'll show you that, and we also take a website tour, but before that, let me just tell you what Sloppins is about. So Sloppins is an Indian website, and I came across Sloppins through Instagram, and what you can basically do is they have lots of Western outfits listed on the website. It's not, right now we don't have any kurtis or Indian dresses, but most of the time the issue that I have faced is, being a plus size, sometimes I see a beautiful dress, but I just probably won't be able to find a proper size. This happens when you are a small size as well, when you are an XS or when you are an XXL or more than that, or even an XL. Then you find it difficult to get a dress, a modern, beautiful dress, custom fit, and it's difficult. Sometimes you see a dress and you just have to give it a pass. But Sloppins does not make this happen. In Sloppins, you have a lot of dresses they're listed, and they're listed at a particular price. And they'll also have some sizes there, the usual sizes, ML, XL sizes would be there. Even up to, I think, 4 or 5 XL is there. And if you still feel that these sizes are not appropriate for you, you can choose the custom option and you can get it customized without paying anything extra. And the good thing is that the quality. Until I got the order in my hand, I was not sure about how the dress will look like. Like, it looked really beautiful on the website, but I was wondering how it will look like on me. And the quality, I have to say that this particular dress that I'm wearing with these beautiful sleeves, I love this dress. The quality is extremely good and it is way more than what I expected, and I'm so happy, and I feel that it's a value for money option. The other dress that I chose, I'll also show you that. But before that, we'll take a website tour and we'll see how easy it is to shop with Sloppins. And also I have a discount. You can get a 10% off as well as a 20% off. The codes will be on screen right now. You can check that out. So let's take a website tour and come back. So this is the website of Sloppins. Whether you want an extremely small size or an extremely large size, Sloppins is here for your rescue. So this is how the UI of the website looks like. It's pretty simple. Maneuverability is pretty good and there is no confusions whatsoever. So this is the coupon code that I was talking about, Sloppins 20. You can also use the Leo 10 code as well when your purchase is below 1000. So you already have some options, like some ready-made dresses listed here. Let's say this is the dress that I was talking about. Let's just see how we'll customize the option. So a number of dresses are listed, and let's pick one of those. So here already the dress price is listed as $12.89, and here you also have the standard sizes. So if you just want to go and directly pick something from the size chart is also available, you can check. So the sizes start from, for this dress, it starts from 2XS up to 6XL. Now, if you still feel that none of these sizes is a perfect match, you can go for the custom option here. Custom size. Here you can choose bust, waist, hip and height. Now I'll show you one more thing. I'm going to just select some random values and I'll show you something. So the price of the dress without any customization is $12.89 irrespective of the size. Now, even if I enter all the customized values, usually customization will cost you extra. But here, customization doesn't cost you anything extra. Only the GST which will get added. That's for any dress, whether it is customized or not. But other than that, the price remains the same. So that is one of the benefits of Sloppins, and also the quality is good. You will receive what you're seeing here. And you can also customize the length also, which I was talking about. You can also tell them, like, that's where they ask you for the height. You can mention like till where you want the dress or something. So you have options for bottom wear, casual, jumpsuit, bodycon. I think my navy blue dress is a bodycon dress, and my light blue shirt dress is from the casual. You also have some bottom wear where there are a couple of pants and skirts listed over. So yeah, that's it. This is, and the payment option, the typical card payment and all is available. So, and the return policy and everything is mentioned. The return policy is very, very simple. If you feel that the particular dress is not fitting you, there is a size issue, or it is still not, even after customization, if you still feel that it is not the right size for you, you can return it within 15 days. All you have to do is you have to let them know with your shipping, with your with a picture of the dress and probably with the order ID, and you can return it. There will be a reverse pickup arranged. It will take up to 10 business days, but they may arrange it for you. So you don't have to go to the courier office and courier it on your own as well.
And if that's a fitting issue, then they'll probably rework the dress and send it back to you at no extra cost, which means there is no risk of ending up with a dress that you don't want to wear, especially if the size fitting is not correct. They will get it done for you. So yeah, that's it about Sloppins website. So this is the first outfit that I got, and the material is like it's not a t-shirt material, but it's a rather stiff material. So the good thing is that even if you are a bit on the chubby side, and even if you have some a bit of a tire or a flap on your body, it will not highlight it like how you would how it get highlighted in a t-shirt material. So it has bell sleeves kind of pattern, which I really liked. And the length of this one, well, you can actually get your length customized, because I am a 5'8" and I got it customized below my knee. So you can do that as well. That is the whole point of customization. So this is how the cloth is, and the stitch and all is just perfect. As you can see, it looks like a ready-made clothing piece like you get from these branded stores. Very beautiful, and this is my first one. This is the second one that I got. It's a bit crumpled because I'm shooting this after some while, after the photo shoot and all that. So this is like a cotton mix material, and it's like a shirt dress. Probably your dad or your brother or your husband will have a shirt in this design. I'm pretty sure about that. So you can definitely have a twinning day going on. So in the front there is a tie option. So you can tie it like a butterfly knot in the front, or you can take it all around backside and tie it as well. And it has a very close round neck, and at the back side there is a zipper closure for easy wearing. And so this is the second clothing item.
So that was about Sloppins. I'm very sure that you're already impressed by now, so you can definitely go ahead and place your orders. They keep adding on to their collection because after I placed my order, I saw a lot of new collections, so I'm kind of tempted to shop more. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I believe that this is something unique and it will definitely help you make better purchase decisions. So we'll meet soon with another video, and definitely I'll come up with more stuff like Sloppins, which you will definitely enjoy. So yeah, that's it. Take care. Bye bye.